Hello friends, welcome again. Today we are going to learn 9th standard Mathematics 1. Our today's topic is sets. Observe the pictures given below. In first row, the first picture is of a key. Second picture is of a bird. Third picture is of a flower. Fourth picture is of a card. Observe the pictures in second row. The first picture is of a bunch of keys. Second picture is of a flock of birds. Third picture is of a bouquet of flowers. And the fourth picture is of a pack of cards. It means when there are many objects, we use some words for them. For example, for many keys, we used a word bunch. For many birds, we used a word flock. For many flowers, we used a word bouquet. And for many cards, we used a word pack. Similarly, in mathematics too, if many numbers are together in a particular pattern in a group, then the group of such numbers is called as a set. What is a set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. There are some rules to write the set. Let's study the rules. Rule 1. Capital letter A, B, P, M, etc. can be used to show the sets. Rule 2. Individual object of the set is called as a member or element of a set. Rule 3. Elements in the set are denoted by small letters A, B, C and so on. Rule 4. If A is element of set A, then it is written as A belongs to A and read as A is an element of set A. Rule 5. If A is not an element of set A, then it is written as A does not belongs to A and read as A is not an element of set A. Rule 6. All elements of set are written in curly or brace bracket. Examples. First example. Set of natural numbers n is equal to in brace bracket 1, 2, 3 and so on bracket complete. Second example. Set of whole numbers w is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Set of integers I is equal to negative numbers -3, -2, -1, 0 and positive numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. Methods of writing sets. There are two methods to write the set. First method is called as listing method or roster method. And second method is called as rule method or set builder form. Let's study one by one. First method, listing method. In this method, elements of set are written in curly bracket. Each element is written only once and separated by commas. Example. Set of odd numbers between 1 to 10. A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9. Set of letters in the word remember. B is equal to R, E, M, B. Method 2. Rule method. In this method, list of elements is not written. general element is written followed by a vertical line and a property of variable. For example, A is equal to x such that x belongs to n, whereas x is greater than 1 but less than 10. This set is read as A is a set of all x such that x is a natural number between 1 and 10. B is equal to x such that x is a prime number between 1 and 10. B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Let's see some examples of sets in both the methods. First column indicates the listing method or roster form, and second column indicates the rule method or set builder form. Example 1. A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. This set can be written like this in set builder form. A is equal to x such that x is vowel in English alphabet. Second example, B is equal to 11, 13, 17, 19. This example can be written in set builder form like this. B is equal to x such that x is a prime number which is greater than 10 but less than 20. C is equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, in set builder form, it can be written as C is equal to x such that x is an integer and x is greater than or equal to -3 but less than or equal to 3. D is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This set can be written in set builder form as D is equal to x such that x is equal to n square and n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So friends, today we studied about this set, some examples of set, rules to write this set, similarly methods of writing sets. In next lecture, we'll study some examples from practice set. Thank you.